Dude, are you ready to take a trip to Flavortown on the express train? We're talking about a meal so money it'll make you want to slap your grandma. Just kidding, don't slap your grandma. But seriously, this one-pan chicken and potatoes is the real deal. Forget about a sink full of pots and pans. We're going rogue with one pan, a handful of killer ingredients, and a whole lot of love. This dish is straight-up comfort, a hug on a plate that's off the hook. It's the kind of grub you make on a Tuesday night that tastes like a Saturday feast. It's what happens when dynamite chicken meets bomb potatoes, and they decide to throw a party in your oven. This isn't some frou-frou, pinky-out kind of cooking. This is real deal roll-up-your-sleeves, get-down-to-business food. Crispy chicken skin that crackles, potatoes fluffy on the inside and golden on the outside, flavors that just pop. It's the ultimate culinary jam session. The chicken lays down the baseline, the potatoes bring the rhythm. The spices, that's the face-melting guitar solo. Get ready, your kitchen's about to smell like the front row of a rock concert. Alright, let's talk ingredients. You can't build a hot rod without the right parts, and you can't make killer chicken without a killer lineup. We're keeping it simple, but we are not skimping on the funk. These are the building blocks of Flavortown, the all-star team that's gonna bring this dish home. First up, the MVP, 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Forget boneless, skinless. We want that skin for the crisp, that bone for the deep, soulful flavor. We need about 2 pounds of that good stuff. Treat it with respect. Next in the ring, weighing in at 1 pound, we've got the spuds. Small baby potatoes, no peeling needed. Only got big boys? Chop them into bite-sized chunks. These little nuggets soak up all that chickeny goodness and get perfectly tender. Then, our liquid gold, 2 tablespoons of olive oil to crisp and caramelize. The flavor bomb, 1 teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, a teaspoon paprika, smoked if you can, plus a teaspoon dried thyme, and a teaspoon dried rosemary. Now the boosters, 3 cloves of garlic. Smash them, slice them, just get them in the pan. 1 whole lemon for brightness. A half cup chicken broth or water if you like it saucy. That's your secret weapon pan sauce you'll want to mop with bread. Last but not least, fresh parsley. Chop and finish for color and fresh pop. No parsley? Don't sweat it. Remember your key players. Use good stuff. Fresh is best. Better ingredients, more bodacious results. That's the gospel truth, my friend. Alright, time to get our hands dirty. Crank the oven to 425 Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius. A hot oven is non-negotiable. That's how we get legendary crispy skin. While it heats, rinse potatoes. Big spuds, 1-inch chunks so they cook with the chicken. Then dry them off. Water is the enemy of crispiness. Next up, the star. Pat those thighs bone dry. A dry surface is a crispy surface. That's a fact, Jack. Now build the flavor bomb. Olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and your dried herbs. Give it a good whisk. Your flavor marinade, your secret sauce, your ticket to the promised land. It should smell amazing. If it doesn't, check your pulse. Dump potatoes into a metal pan or cast iron. That's the ticket. Drizzle about half the mixture and toss till every spud is coated. Spread into a single layer. Don't crowd the pan. Give them breathing room for pure, unadulterated deliciousness. Law of Flavortown. Dress the chicken. Rub the rest all over under the skin, on top of the skin, everywhere. Show that chicken some love. Nestle thighs skin side up on the potatoes. Scatter smashed or sliced garlic. Squeeze the lemon and toss the halves in. For extra sauce, pour broth or water into the bottom. Around the chicken, not over it. Keep that skin dry and ready to crisp. Pans loaded, flavors locked. Time for the main event. The moment of truth. Your pan is loaded, oven scorching, stomach rumbling. Send this bad boy into the fire. Middle rack, shut the door. Let the heat do its thing. Set a timer for 25 minutes, no peeking. Trust the process. Heat turns humble into golden. The smell may bring neighbors knocking. Timers up, safety first. Pull the pan and take a look. Chicken skin should be turning golden, potatoes getting tender. Give potatoes a stir or flip. Attention to detail separates amateurs from pros. It's all in the details, my friend. Is the skin crispy and golden or a little pale? If it needs help, call in the broiler. Switch to broil and slide it back for 2 to 4 minutes. Watch it like a hawk. The broiler can go from beautiful to burnt in a New York minute. Hit perfect color, pull it. Now make sure it's cooked through. Grab a thermometer. Insert in the thickest part. Don't hit bone. Look for 165 Fahrenheit, 75 Celsius. Golden. Not there yet? Back in 5 to 10, then check again. Total cook is around 35 to 45 minutes, but the thermometer is your ultimate guide. Listen up. Pro tips incoming. Dry that chicken skin completely. Moisture is the mortal enemy of crispy. It steams instead of fries. Use a dark metal sheet or heavy cast iron, heat-conducting champs for even browning. Skip flimsy pans and don't crowd the pan. Give them elbow room. Use 2 pans if you must. Better to wash an extra than eat soggy dinner. Chicken perfect but potatoes firm. Move chicken to a plate, tent with foil, and return potatoes for 5 to 10. Dinner saver move. That way everything's perfect. Nobody wants a crunchy potato unless it's a potato chip. Add root veg, carrots, parsnips, onion wedges. Cut to cook in the same time as potatoes. They'll soak up flavor like champs. Always taste and adjust at the end. A final pinch of salt makes flavors pop. That's pretty much it. You've mastered the classic. Time to remix. For Mediterranean, swap thyme for a teaspoon oregano, toss in Kalamata olives and cherry tomatoes. The tomatoes burst into a rustic sauce. Finish with feta, fug it about it. Feeling sweet and spicy? Mix 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon Dijon, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Brush it on during the last 10 minutes. It caramelizes into a sticky, sweet, tangy crust. A crowd pleaser. Crank the heat, add a half teaspoon chili powder, a quarter teaspoon cumin, maybe a pinch of cayenne. Toss sliced bell peppers and onions with the potatoes. Serve with sour cream or guacamole and a squeeze of lime. Fiesta in a pan. For umami thunder, melt 2 tablespoons butter in the final 10. Add 2 cloves, minced garlic, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Drizzle over chicken and potatoes, intoxicating aroma. These are ideas. The kitchen is your playground. Go nuts. You've done the work, navigated the heat and pulled pure gold, but hold your horses, let it rest. Transfer chicken and rest at least 5 minutes so juices redistribute. Cutting too soon is a culinary crime. While it rests, plate potatoes. Scrape up those crispy browned bits and drizzle any liquid gold. Flavor bath unlocked. Bring back the star, set a magnificent thigh by the potatoes. Crispy dark brown skin meets golden spuds, beautiful. Final flourish, liberal parsley sprinkle. That pop of green looks righteous and bright. It's a full meal as is, but if you want to round it out, crisp green salad with zippy vinaigrette, steamed green beans or roasted broccoli, and crusty bread for mopping. Winner winner chicken dinner. Aftermath time. If you have leftovers, treat them right. Food safety's no joke. Cool and into the fridge within 2 hours, sealed. Good up to 3 days. Microwave in a pinch, but it sogs the skin. Best is oven or toaster oven, spread out on a sheet, 350 for 10 to 15, till heated through. Crisp returns, potatoes stay firm. Cook it right the first time. 165-degree requirement is the holy grail. Use a thermometer. Get creative. Chop leftovers into a breakfast hash with a fried egg. Shred chicken with BBQ for a sandwich. Toss potatoes into a frittata or a quick soup. Don't let flavor go to waste. There you have it, the roadmap to a one-pan chicken and potato dinner that's 100% money. We started humble, hit 'em with flavor, roasted to perfection. It's technique, a way of life, no fancy gadgets, no mountain of dishes, just off-the-hook results. Crispy skin, creamy potatoes, garlic, lemon, herbs. Works every time. Use the recipe as your launch pad. Try swaps, add veggies, make it yours. You're ready to rock. Fire the oven, prep the goods, take that road trip to Flavortown. Cook it, share it, enjoy every bite. I want you to try this, you'll knock it out of the park. Now go on, get cooking. Peace out.